Dear class, hope you all are fine and stay at home. Students, please take care of yourself and your family members because day by day cases of coronas are increasing. So it is your duty that you can always use a hand sanitizer, wear a mask and always maintain a social distancing. And it is also your moral duty that you can take care of yourself and your family members. So, class, let's start with a new chapter, that is the app development. Earlier, we had studied that how to create a database, how to assign a primary key, how to make table, rows, columns, and how to show the relationship between different type of tables. So this is our next chapter, app development. Here app means the application. So now let's understand how we can develop a application on our software, on our PC, etc. But first of all, the introduction part of apps. So the app is derived from a word, that is the application, and application is a software which is designed to do a specific job. It also enables you to do something a specific, which like includes paint, read maps, broadcast, photographs, play games, and it also have created the apps for, but within the technical limitations of your device. So with the increase of in the use of smartphone these are days, the word app or an application is used to refer the software that runs on the mobile phones. So this is the introduction part of apps, but apps are also designed to work different operating systems that was used by the devices or by the users. So an Android app is developed to work on phones, tablets which run on your Android operating system. So class, this is all about your app development. Now our next question arises that what are different types of apps? There are three types of apps: desktop apps, web apps and mobile apps. So let's start these three apps one by one. So our first app is the desktop app. Basically these apps can be used for a desktop or for a laptop. Generally, they do not need web access to run independently on a computer. So, if you want to run a desktop app, so you must be installed on the desktop or a laptop. So, this installed app is indicated by an icon on the computer screen as an item on the start menu. This is the way that how you can develop a desktop app. Second one is the web app. Class, these apps required an internet connection. If you are not having a proper internet connection, so these apps can't work. So they are usually browser based and stored on a remote server. Here web applications required minimum device memory as this applications relies on the remote server. Now let's move towards our third app, that is called the mobile app. This app plays a very important role. Why? Because these apps run on a smartphone or a tablet, but the screen size is much smaller than a desktop or a laptop. Why? Because desktop or laptop is having a very big screen as comparison to the mobile app. These apps are usually smaller in size. Why? Because mobile devices have a limited memories. So these are the keeping in view. There are various device independent features. Software companies these days have a different versions of an app that can be used as a desktop app, web apps or a mobile apps. Next topic is the classification of mobile apps. Class, our mobile apps is divided into two types. First one is the native apps and second one is the hybrid apps. First of all, we can study about that what is the meaning of native apps. So the mobile apps that are usually developed for a specific operating system and device. Here, class, what is the meaning of operating system? Operating system means it acts as a device which plays an interface between hardware and a software. So this is because each device may have different type of specifications like GPS, dual cameras, memory, Wi-Fi features, and they are developed keeping in mind the device specifications are called a native app. Now we can move further. A second classification of mobile app is the hybrid app. These hybrid apps contains the various features of both the apps, which includes web apps and native apps. So, class, these apps can be downloaded from the Play Store and installed on the device. So, the examples of the most popular these apps includes gaming app, Candy Crush, etc. So, these are the basic two types of classification of the mobile apps. Class, I request to everyone read this chapter carefully from your book. If you are having any type of doubt, then you can ask me in the Zoom class. Take care of yourself and your family members. Have a great day.